Now, for website navigation, there's a couple of schools of thought to here. So, first off, I don't know how many of you are aware how much companies spend money on mapping out how you walk through a physical store. But that is the same as your website navigation. Think through in detail, how would you guide someone through your website if you had the option? People don't literally go down your list in the order that you think they do. However, there's a couple of important things. So first off, I'm showing a mobile version of a plumbing site that we've done. And sometimes before I even get into the navigation, especially on the homepage, give them the things that keep them from leaving, like a phone number. So if you're a service company, especially a service company that solves a problem quickly for someone, don't make it hard for people to call you. Okay, really. And also, you can see there's a quick button, schedule service now. Another thing that I find so many businesses hide is what areas they serve. Do you know how many other Monroe plumbings there probably are in the country? And if I come across your website, this is also what happens is people get leads from the wrong locations because they're not very clear and upfront about it. I understand humans don't read, but let's try and make it as, again, frictionless as possible. Next, if you look at the navigation, I want you to think about things from top to bottom on mobile or left to right on desktop. So these are some of those quick notes here. Make certain items always accessible so I don't have to find it like a phone number, but you can see that then I have services and then you can go down from there. So this is going to vary from person to person. I pulled up TJ Maxx just to show something a bit more robust and a heavy shopping site. The reason I wanted to show them on mobile is because I have the menu here and then the search. So we're going to talk search in just a minute, but the reason is like right away before I even do anything, they're driving me into making it easy for me to find what I'm looking for. And if the mobile, then they're dictating what changes. So no surprise right now, this says spring fashion because right now it's spring. So later on, it's a certain time of years to say holiday gifts. It'll say 4th of July. So keep in mind your menu can also adjust and should adjust to make it easy for people to find things. I also wanted to show an interior designer that we've worked with just to say, here's a quickie example again on mobile where they have their phone number right away. And I don't often put home in because your logo should be the home. However, if your audience is older and they don't know that the logo is usually the home button, if anyone wants to share, oh my God, I didn't know that. Yes, on most websites, if not all at this point, your logo should be linked to drive you home. But then because this is an interior design company, people are more interested in who they're hiring and other people's projects. So just to give you an idea of why things are in certain order.